What's up mga kagri? It's me, Kat, and for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng organic concoctions and extracts in 8 simple ways. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na!
What are the materials for making FPJ? 1 kilo kangkong leaves, 1 kilo kamote tops, 1 kilo shudu stem, 1 kilo brown sugar, plastic pail, net bag, 1 piece manila paper, string, chopping board and knife, marking pen, plastic bottle, funnel and plastic cup. Make sure that the materials you will use are young and fresh, free from insect pests and diseases, free from chemical contaminants and abundant in your area. What are the steps involved in making FPJ? Collect the plant materials early in the morning while they are fresh and the microorganisms are still present. Cut the plant materials to 1 inch for easy extraction of juice. Put chopped materials in the plastic pail. Add 1 kilo brown sugar. Mix it with your hands. Make sure that the plant materials are mixed with sugar. Put the mixture in a net bag so that the extracted juice will ooze from all sides of the net. Cover the pail with paper and place a string around it. Label with names, date of processing until harvesting. Store in cool, dry, shady place. Make sure that the storage area is not infested with cockroaches or mice because they can contaminate the extract. After 7 days, lift the bag mixture and squeeze hard to get the remaining extracts. Collect fermented extracts and preserve in a clean bottle. Do not cover it tight during further fermentation, then store in a cool and shady place. Fermentation occurs within 7 days and the plant extracts changes its color from green to yellow and brown, and it will smell sweet and alcoholic.